Alrighty, Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and Google Chrome will enable users to directly fund their Coinbase wallet from a browser extension. Lots going on here in the crypto sphere. Drop a like and subscribe as we try to keep these coming at you every day. Now, quickly looking at Cardano, we're going to recap. EngineeringRobo members already know, but utilizing the super buy and buy for throughout the end of July of 2021, around the $1.27 level, your investment experienced 140% in upside as price rose past $3 over the following 38 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, with the sell for and bearish cross robo advisors becoming bearish here near the $2.24 level, you were able to capitalize on 75% ROI within 2 months utilizing EngineeringRobo. And as you can see, ever since that combination of bearish robo advisors, Cardano has proceeded to experience a crippling 66% in downside over the following months, and we have yet to see 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bullish to allow for comfortable accumulation. So at the moment, we are patiently waiting for bullish parameters to be met here. It would appear we are still in search of the strongest level of support under the influence of those bearish robos there back in September of 2021. Currently attacking the 84-cent level at the moment, resistance until daily candles are opening and closing above that level. I would like, several daily candles opening and closing above this 84-cent level for me to further solidify support at this current level, because in my opinion, based on my strategy, the strongest level of support for Cardano isn't until the 34-cent level. That is going to be the target. I do anticipate continued interaction toward here until bullish robo advisors return, or we find significant support elsewhere along the way down. But in my opinion, 34 cents is where we are looking out for here. If you want to invest in Cardano moving forward, you can put 20% of your investment at support. It's either going to be 34 cents down below, or in my opinion, the current strongest level of resistance overhead, $1.31, can be a level you can put your 20% support-based investment in at once we have daily candles opening and closing above it. Whichever one comes first, we can then put 30% of our investment into Cardano when daily candles open and close above the descending trend line, which has currently been recolored to blue. And that remaining 50% can be invested when 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish. So we always wait for the confirmations and watch out for EngineeringRobo. Let me know down below your thoughts on Cardano, though. An especially simplified process for American and Canadian Coinbase users who can use their debit cards for transfers. Coinbase launched a new feature dubbed Coinbase Pay that enables its clients to fund their Coinbase wallets directly from a Chrome browser extension. According to its staff, Coinbase Pay intends to make it intuitive for everyone to participate in decentralized finance, swap tokens on decentralized exchanges, and purchase non-fungible tokens in just a few clicks. Before Coinbase Pay, users who wanted to add funds to their Coinbase wallet from the browser extension needed to navigate to Coinbase.com, sign into their account, copy and paste their wallet address, manually transfer the funds, and the process was not only cumbersome, but also left a lot of room for user error. Users do not need a Coinbase.com account to use Coinbase Wallet. However, they would need to link their self-custody wallet to their Coinbase account before using Coinbase Pay as a fiat to crypto on-ramp service. Despite coming from a centralized exchange, private keys within the extension are stored by the user and not by Coinbase. Coinbase also has plans to launch its own NFT marketplace. At the time of publication, there are currently just about 4 million email addresses recorded on the Coinbase NFT waiting list. So, lots going on here in the crypto sphere here, increased user, operability and reduced user error here with the simplification of a browser extension, reducing the barriers of entry here for crypto utilization, in my opinion. Another factor that I contribute to why I find it very difficult to be bearish on the whole space at the moment. Times of extreme fear are causing the price to be rather compressed toward a bullish support level, in my opinion. But, over on the channel here every day, we've been covering, some very bullish adoption here in the traditional world of finance, some, multi-billion dollar institutions and conglomerates or governing bodies getting involved in the crypto sector one way or another, whether it be interest in NFT technology, metaverse, or direct Bitcoin accumulation. But find this article in the description. Let me know down below your thoughts on crypto. Green to be seen across the crypto sphere here. We have, prices experiencing some very nice upside, capital flowing into a variety of projects. And then we have just a few coins here experiencing some, healthy pullbacks and retracements, perhaps towards support to allow for further accumulation. In my opinion, a bullish incentive for crypto is still present currently, even though we have fear plaguing the market here. I personally suspect a longer-term uptrend intact. Alrighty, Ethereum, real quick, we're going to recap utilizing EngineeringRobo here. We are currently under the influence of the buy 2, buy 4, and Golden Cross Robo advisors. Utilizing the buy 2 and buy 4 throughout the end of July of 2021. Your investment into Ethereum experienced 82% in upside over the following 40 days, and you were able to capitalize on 55% ROI utilizing bearish Robo advisors. We have another instance of the buy 2 and buy 4, EngineeringRobo becoming bullish throughout the beginning of October. Your investment experienced 38% in upside over the following 36 days. And with EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions, you were able to capitalize on 20% ROI if you chose to take profit near the $4,202 level, because as we can see here, Ethereum has proceeded to experience a rather crippling amount in downside in search of the strongest area of support ever since bearish confirmations throughout the middle of November of 2021. Ethereum has proceeded to experience 48% in downside. You lost just about half of your investment if you chose not to take profit when EngineeringRobo became bearish. So we are waiting for the return of bullish Robo advisors here to begin, comfortable accumulation. We did already put 20% of our investment in at my support level, $2,320 per Ethereum throughout the end of January of this year. You were able to accumulate at my support level again throughout the end of February, just a few weeks ago. It is not impossible for us to return to that level a third time before proceeding upward here. In my opinion, I do anticipate continued upside overall. However, we always go with the flow of the confirmations and watch out for EngineeringRobo. So currently, under the influence of bearish Robo advisors, we do anticipate continued interaction toward support here until confirmations suggest otherwise. Watch out for resistance overhead waiting for us, $3,414 per Ethereum. At the moment, we are interacting with $2,711, a level that we just have experienced both support and resistance off of throughout the last few months. And so this is going to be a key sort of pivot point. Alrighty, Bitcoin. EngineeringRobo members already know, but if you didn't, utilizing the buy 4 and Moon throughout the end of July, investing into Bitcoin, you experienced 48% in upside, and you capitalized on 26% ROI with bearish Robo advisors in September. Utilizing the buy 4 and Moon yet again throughout the beginning of October, you experienced a 24% in upside over the following 35 days, and you were still able to close your position in profit utilizing bearish Robo advisors in November, and choosing to close your position and take profit from when EngineeringRobo became bearish on the 18th of November. You were saved from the crippling 41% in downside Bitcoin proceeded to experience, all the way down toward my strongest level of support that we were anticipating continued interaction toward here based on bearish Robo advisors that whole time, all while Bitcoin was attempting to find support and bottom out in here and then, fake everyone out, we were still anticipating this level. $34,655 per Bitcoin was present weeks leading up to it. And so at the moment, moving forward, we are, currently invested into Bitcoin here based off of our confirmations. We already put 20% of our investment in at my support level back in January. You were able to back in February. You may be able to a third time. That is not impossible, though growing unlikely in my opinion. That is not impossible, but we always go with the flow of the confirmations here. Currently, 50% of our investment went into Bitcoin when 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bullish. At the moment, the confirmed death cross is less than ideal, but we need a second robo advisor becoming bearish to consider reducing our investment to allow for, reinvestment at a more bullish level. We just need daily candles opening and closing above this descending trend line to allow that remaining 30% to be invested. And so you may be able to see this highlighted range here in pink, about a $2,000 zone between $42,000 and $40,000 per Bitcoin. This is going to be a rather volatile range, currently resistance at the moment, and this is going to be coming from price action throughout the beginning of 2021. Once daily candles are opening and closing above this range, I do believe we can be more comfortably bullish on upside, especially if, EngineeringRobo remains bullish here, as we have been unfazed from this most recent sideways we've been experiencing. But at the moment, we are in a very, very tight, volatile zone here, experience some aggressive moves, both upward and downward, continuing this sideways price action. Always go with the flow of the confirmations and watch out for EngineeringRobo. But with EngineeringRobo's fear and greed index here, I personally anticipate a $172,000 Bitcoin before any sort of market top is to be discussed. We are coming from the fear zone, a very nice interaction with this range throughout March of 2020. Currently, we have yet to see the Fomo zone, and with price action in this very aggressive, year-long sideways here that it's been in, pulling the fear zone very closer to it. The closer we are to the fear zone, the more difficult I find it to be bearish on Bitcoin, because you want to be accumulating during times of extreme fear, and you want to be heavily considering taking profit when the market is euphoric and FOMO is present. Someone has to buy the top. However, hopefully not you, because you're buying through the lows, getting your nice, 40-50% discounted Bitcoin during this time. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Thank you so much for tuning in. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube and tune in for the next one.